The F4E3 error code on a Whirlpool dishwasher indicates a communication issue between the circulation pump and the control board. A faulty circulation pump is one of the common causes of this error code. To fix it, start by unplugging the dishwasher and disconnecting the water supply. Then, remove the spray arms and feed tube, as well as the bottom front and toe access panels using a nut driver. Next, remove the dishwasher from its cabinet and disconnect the drain hose from the drain pump. After depressing the locking tab, rotate the pump counterclockwise and pull it from the sump. Proceed to disconnect the wires from the circulation pump motor and the diverter motor. And also disconnect the optical water indicator from the sump. With the dishwasher on its back, release the sump and open the door to pull out the circulation pump and motor assembly. To replace the faulty pump, reuse the old pump's filter cup and screen, and the old sump's damper in the new unit. Install the new circulation pump and motor assembly. Then close the door and engage the sump's locking tabs. Finally, lay the dishwasher on its back, lubricate the water indicator's ring, and reinstall the various components in reverse order, including the diverter motor and circulation pump's wire harness, the drain pump, and the drain hose. Once everything is back in place, push the dishwasher under the counter and plug it in.